Set the record straight. Have a chip on your shoulder. Get your wires crossed. Put your foot in your mouth. Take offense at something. Master idioms and power up your communication. Set the record straight. It means to clarify or to correct something. During the meeting, I will set the record straight regarding our market share figures. Have a chip on your shoulder. It means that you feel annoyed or defensive because you feel that you have been treated unfairly. Peter had a chip on his shoulder during the meeting for something that I said. Oops. Get your wires crossed. To have a misunderstanding or miscommunication resulting in confusion or mixed up information. We got our wires crossed about the meeting time, resulting in half of the team missing the presentation. Put your foot in your mouth. To say something awkward or embarrassing accidentally. She put her foot in her mouth by making an inappropriate joke at the client dinner. To take offense at something. To feel hurt, upset, or insulted by something that was said or done. She took offense at the wording in the email, thinking it was disrespectful.